Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the hair mask I showed you guys how to prepare in my last video, and today I'll be showing you how to apply it on your hair properly, just as I have promised. Okay, so the first thing I did was to pour in my hair mask into this applicator bottle for easier application. So in my last video I couldn't show you how I apply it because I didn't want the video to be too long, and I focused more on showing you the step-by-step process of making the hair mask. In today's video, I'll simply be showing you how to apply it, the right way to do it, what to do before applying it to your hair, and also what to do after applying it. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss any important information. Now, the first thing you need to do before applying this hair mask or any other hair masks at all is to make sure your hair is clean. By clean, I mean wash your hair with a shampoo first before applying the hair mask. When applying your hair mask, make sure you are working in section, just as I am doing. Okay, working in section will help the products get to every strand of your hair. Another thing you want to be sure of is that your hair is well detangled. Make sure your hair is properly combed so the application process will be smoother and easier. However, if your hair is not fully detangled, you can go ahead and finger detangle after applying the hair mask. Then use your wide tooth comb to properly detangle your hair. And as I will always say, start combing from the ends of your hair and work your way up to the roots. Don't start from the root and drag your comb down. When you do it the right way, it helps to reduce breakage. The flaxseed gel in this hair mask gives a lot of slip, so your comb will glide through your hair with ease. Always make sure you are working on a damp hair. Do not apply the hair mask when your hair is dry.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for...
After applying the hair mask to each section, lightly twist the hair just as I am doing. Once you are done applying the hair mask, the next step is very important and necessary. Grab a nylon bag or a shower cap and cover your hair. Let it sit for about 40 to 60 minutes before washing it off. If you have a steaming cap, you can just cover it up and let it sit for 30 minutes and then you rinse it off. But when you don't have a steaming cap, then you leave it for 40 to 60 minutes before rinsing it off. Now, when washing off, don't just use water. Make sure you shampoo your hair properly to remove the hair mask completely. After rinsing, you can go ahead and moisturize your hair with a leave-in conditioner and then seal in the moisture with a hair butter or oil. The reason I'm not showing the rinse out process is because I did mine off camera, and that's not the main reason for this video. Okay, so if you enjoy watching and found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more hair tips, hair care tutorials and DIYs. Also, hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I upload a new video. And yes, before you say anything, subscription is absolutely free. You can also save this video to watch later or share it with someone who might find it helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and tell me what you would like to see in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.